Read it. Read the word.
Okay. Whew. I'm gonna go right here. Ah.
Oh, what? Strong lines, we don't have to worry about it.
Yeah. There we go. First salmon of the day. There's another one.
Dude, there's like 5 of them right there.
Big Chinook. Is that your PB?
I haven't ever caught a salmon.
Actually?
It's my first salmon.
Then that's your PB. Drag's going. There we go.
You gotta make sure they'll.
Yeah, dude, he's old, so he's given up.
Holy shit.
Oh, he's running, he's running, he's running. Bro, dude, don't get him. Don't let him get behind that sign. Go, don't let him get behind that sign. Yeah, watch out, watch out. Bring it here. Fuck, I got him, I got him. He's dying.
Oh shit, yeah, I feel that in his gills.
Watch out, he's gonna. There you go.
Ready. You have one job. I'm getting straight right now.
Finished. Yeah, dude, imagine in the summertime they yeah, I don't think I would go here during the summer when it gets warmer. Right now it's actually still pretty warm. Lower the drag, lower the drag. 6 pound test, or 8 pound. Got him. Oh, he got snagged. Yeah. Holy shit. Yo. Yeah, I got one. He's not giving up. Holy shit. Oh yeah. And he's going upstream. He's got so much energy. I think I'm getting him in.
You got a smaller one?
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. No, 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 no. You're not.
You better not break off.
He's going downstream. This one's smaller, so I should be able to get him in. He's fresher too. Slightly. All right, I snagged him. What the hell? All right, guys. Oh man, he's like a tuna. Oh man, I snagged him. Oh. There we go. Look. Woo! There we go, guys. I think it's either a brown. I think it's a brown. Yeah. He really spawned out. All right, probably just shy of 5 pounds. There we go, guys. Really spawned out. This is my first time in this river and we're getting a few. Let me go ahead. There we go. All right, guys, there's just so many here. They're all trying to go after it, and they're all getting snagged. Like, even on a little jig head like this, that's kind of... I got one. I got one. It's a big one. I'm probably gonna snap off. Dude, we cannot get these big ones in. Now I see why they use 10-foot rods. This one's only like a 7. Oh, one of them just followed it in. There's one. Got him. Oh, I'm burning him in, burning him in. I might need some help. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. This is unbelievable. Oh man, I am definitely afraid to catch anything bigger than this. That is one standard Lake Michigan brown. It's either a brown or a Chinook. They just don't give up. Unbelievable. You see, now I don't understand how people catch them on flies. Like, it's gonna burn the hell out of your fingers. Oh, I think I'm getting him in. I think I could get him. That's a brown. That's a big brown. That's not gonna be my PB though. No, 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 no. Not there. No, no, no. Okay, I'm getting him in. Guys, this is gonna be really tough. I'm not even kidding. Oh. That's crazy. I actually snagged this one on the dorsal fin. You see, like, there's so many in here. Okay, yeah, he's giving up. Shit. This is a one-time experience. Brown? No, 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 no.
That's not a brown.
That's a brown.
Oh, it isn't.
It's not? Oh yeah, you're right, you're right. Yeah, it's spots. Look how close they are.
Downstream.
By the dorsal.
He's running downstream.
Look, he's really tired. I'm gonna get him in. I'm gonna get him in right now. I got him. I fucking got him. No. Got him. I got him. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. Yes. Guys, ginormous salmon. All right, guys. First salmon of the day. All right, guys. First really good king salmon, Chinook salmon of the day. He's really old, and I'm gonna let him back. Oh yes. Alrighty, he needs some time, so I'm gonna give him that time. Mr. Salmon here ain't looking too good. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Here, wait, can you take the rod? Take the rod.
Don't worry.
Move him over here.
I got pressure. I got pressure. Make him face towards you. Oh, watch out, watch out.
Gotta get him back.
Shit. Take the rod. I'm one handed. I'm one handed. One handed. Here we go.
Still filming?
Yeah, you have to revive him.
Here, take him. Take him.
These fish are really tired. And we're not going to be eating these fish. Wait, let me get a good shot of the mouth. Good shot. Beautiful fish. Look at this fish. Oh my god. Unbelievable.
Let's get this guy moving.
Yeah. Look at this fish. Oh my god. Do you see any? Did he say something? Look. I think we just found a fly box. If it has flies in it, you're set. What?
Oh, it's a drone. What if it still works?
Keep it. Yeah.
Hold it. Might.
Guys, we found a drone. A drone!
Oh, somebody over there.
Okay, it's not that drone. This guy. It has a USB, it has a charging cable. Someone just gave it to us. You keep it. You keep it. You found it.
I was kind of looking at flies, but if it works, I doubt it'll work though.
Does it have a camera on it?
Yep.
Those kind of drones are waterproof.
Are they?
Yeah. Yo, we might have
What's
actually.
the battery? How do you access the battery? Right here. What is this? Oh, it's the antenna.
Yeah.
The battery's still in here.
So we have the control. Yeah,
Oh,
this
it slides in.
here. This is where you can hold your
Here,
phone.
let's see if you can turn it on.
Should I turn it on? Alright guys, so we just found a drone. Just sitting right here in the water, in the middle of nowhere. Alright, so I'm just gonna put these on the rock so they dry. What a nice looking drone. Pretty neat.